even know what's
All right,
happening.
bet. Oh, we're defensing. All right, mid.
Yeah.
Think I'm mid.
Yeah, you want to go mid to vault right now?
Yeah, I'm not playing Volt. Yeah, I'm just gonna push up to P2.
Oh, and get in here.
One's playing outer, guaranteed.
Something like.
Chilling, bro.
What's ammo?
Outer P2.
One ammo dead.
2P2?
1 P2, 1 in the back.
2P2, you said? Okay.
Dead.
All right. I'm stunning time.
I'm stunning time at bad sun.
Yeah, I didn't get hit either. One more on me. Nice.
Good shit, boys. Good round.
What the fuck? I didn't even
I
get
have
to
no
do
idea
anything.
what we just transpired. I'm not gonna lie. I shouted. I'm just like, oh,
I
yeah.
slid in literally a second right after you, so it like gave them like an oh shit moment type thing. Like,
Bro,
oh,
my
there's one.
nade hit me.
Oh no, there's another.
Bro, my nade hit me. I'm like, oh shit, I'm dying here. I was full intent on dying in that gunfight. That's why you see how I'm in the corner for them. I'm like, all right. All right, I'll play one. I'll get one. I'll just play it.
All right.
I did 41 damage.
I heard you on 41 damage.
All right, I'm watching B flank.
All right, I'll go get bomb. I'm go plan immediately. Plan A.
Okay.
Just
gonna watch your
yo,
vault
shoulder the pillar. Just shoulder that pillar, bro. That's all I need you to do.
Yep.
Oh, fuck, I don't have my right class on.
I'm about to say, bro, where we going?
I'm naded on A.
I needed 1 cat.
They might be
Vault
behind
doors,
us,
vault
okay.
doors,
I naded vault.
vault doors.
What trip?
He's
Okay,
he's shouldering me. He's shouldering me. Vault doors.
Okay.
I'm watching the pool. Just keep showing it.
One's vault, long vault.
Just play it slow. Play it slow. You don't gotta shout. Don't give
Lights,
me
lights, lights, top cap.
Ready?
Pool. Pool bombs.
I got back. Vault dead.
One was back P2.
Watch vault. Watch vault. Watch vault.
I'm in it. I'm in it. I don't have mid vault. I don't have mid vault.
Okay, I'm watching pool.
mid vault.
Yep, front pool. He's one
How
shot.
many?
Just one. I stunned him.
I got mid.
You got a
watch
child.
what
They got a
the
child. They
pool
have to
is.
child. They have to child.
Throw that nade down before they challenge.
Front vault. Vault on me. GG's. Good round.
Nice.
They don't have it. Good shit.
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't full send. That's weird. Okay. That he needed a full send that.
They just swapped to my SnD class. I'm running my fucking hard point.
I still got my hardpoint streaks up. I got a Hellstorm.
Yeah,
I
well,
think a
this is
Hellstorm,
what
a
you
Harp, and a Dreadnought.
Yeah, no. Just what you do is just
Only
do
use RC more.
RCXD, the
it's-
Hailstorm, and the Dreadnought.
Well, the reason I don't do that because I don't really play for my streaks in SnD. I'm not expecting myself to get streaks.
Well, just keep.
I'm
them
trying to
as
get
you
a
can.
car.
Yeah, like see him. I could expect him to get a car.
All right.
Same play.
Kid. No. Let's change it up.
Where you want to go?
Let's go right down to. Never mind. You're too late.
Go run, ready.
Back
No,
P2.
Timing's bad. Timing's bad.
Yo,
I got
he's
one
front
stun.
P1. He's stunned. He's weak.
Top cat.
He's so weak. Thank you.
Good. Top cat nading. Top cat.
He went lights.
No one ammo.
He's on their steps. They're casting.
Yeah.
Yep. Take your hand. He ran. He steps. He steps.
Stun
Top
step.
army, army.
No.
right.
Another one cat. Nice.
Top army weak.
Get back. P2 and bomb. Let's get bomb. Let's get
I'm
bomb.
defusing. He went mid. He's on bomb. He's in sight. Nice.
All right, get it. Nice.
No, I think it's 8.
How close are you to your R60?
10.
All right, you got it. Perfect. So you got R60 for we honestly could use that for defense, honestly. We just need it for defense. So round 5, ideally.
Earlier, if not yesterday. Oh.
So they're immediately banging it. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Dude, I just hate
so
Volt
freaking-
SnD, bro. This shit's.
Bro, I do too. Trust me, it's the
Hey,
worst
yo.
map in mode.
Barbodo is wild, guys.
Hey man. All right, man. Come on.
Again, I'm gonna watch that B flank.
All right.
I'll play it again.
Let's just kind of hold off, like by cat, because they chuck nades. They got the nade spots.
You watch my B
Native
flank?
vault. Yeah, native vault.
And yeah, nothing B
native
flank.
vault. Nothing native vault.
They probably went through lights. I didn't have lights.
Yep, lights. He's water truck.
You want water? You said? Oh fuck.
Yep.
Yeah, one mid vault.
They went
where?
back P2 most likely. Hold on, wait. Yeah.
Nice 2v2.
Out of palms.
Damn it.
Sorry. That's right. It's
Yeah.
all good. It's all good.
Oh, they no, he delayed his push. They were both there when the first guy killed.
Kill.
It is all good.
Reminds me
Yeah,
of
the
Milo.
first guy I killed, he was there right after. I should have just
Cam,
waited.
were you sitting
Yeah.
P2?
No, I'm sitting on top of army truck. I got fucking banged out from lights.
Yeah, I should have fucking called that so much sooner. Because if they didn't push B, they're pushing lights.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Something.
I should have
Just remember.
expected that. If I didn't see anything. Cat.
Yeah.
All right, you want to go straight down to vault into A?
You want to do Vault A?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but
See if he
you want
pushes B
you
too.
want me at
then.
like all right? You want me at mid vault with you, right?
Yeah, yeah, mid vault to A. Yep.
Oh, all right, come on.
Back P2. He's hit. He backed off.
When they're cat steps.
Nothing A.
There's nothing. A.
They're cat dead. I'm weak.
I'm watching back B2.
Lights, one shot.
Back
Play
B2.
Play life, play life.
Nading back P2.
Can someone wrap around to B site?
Top cat dead. Bomb down on me.
All right,
Bomb down top
Okay.
cat.
I don't see it.
all right. I'm
watching
playing.
Yeah,
I'm watching vault.
one's back P2 still.
All right,
He might have moved because he pushed
I'm on A
probably
bomb.
the water.
They got bomb.
What happened?
Yo,
They grabbed the bomb from me.
two back fire truck.
How you do? I'm playing this slow. They gotta push around.
I'm looking lights. I'm looking lights.
I literally am
I
on
do
A
not
and B.
have my mid. I'm looking there like mid lights.
I'm watching bomb. I'm on A bomb. I'm not moving at all.
I'm wrapping B bomb just to make sure.
Where was
Yeah, they're on
bomb
B
at?
bomb.
There comes, please. The lights.
Ready? On top.
Bomb down on me. Out of
Ready.
bomb. B bomb.
Oh, okay. He's still outside lights. Don't chow. Don't single chow. Don't single chow. Nice.
That's kid, bro.
What do you need, that kid?
Like you're
No.
gonna 9 times out of 10 you're winning your one.
I don't know about that one. I knew he would. That's how I waited. Oh yeah, knife. Yeah.
My man was coming for you. That throat was his.
That's why I didn't play it. I was gonna run it, but I was like, yeah, he just died there. Let me just play it slow. I was gonna slide backwards. He just caught me on slide. I was like, fuck, I'll shot first. You want to delay the A bomb? The A plant?
Yes.
All right,
Bet.
bro.
Alright, I'm gonna watch that flank. Remember that lights push. Remember the lights push.
Yeah, I'm not gonna sit the same spot. I'm gonna sit somewhere different.
You took the bomb. Okay,
Yeah, I did. I don't know how to
Alright.
drop it.
it's fine.
Not the pin comment is wild. That's the pin of shame.
I got one L palm.
Nothing B.
L palm dead.
I'm going cat.
Nothing A. I'm planning.
Hold
I
on.
think I saw on top bar. Oh, there's one.
Lights. Lights weak.
No one then. Fuck. The other guy didn't see me. He's mid doors. He's P1.
I'm planning for this.
He's gonna slide in. So just play.
planning for
Watch the
my
bomb.
B2.
Watch pull. Watch pull. Watch pull.
Yeah, I got
He gets
it.
sliding on me.
I got you poolside. Just work.
You should be able to see bomb from back P2.
Yeah.
Oh,
He just stunned me.
get it.
I got one on me L palm.
Alrighty. I think he just one fall on me.
Car.
I got a trail.
Alright.
Lights.
They got a shot. They got a shot now.
Yep.
Got time. They don't got time.
Throw your nades down at entry points.
Outside pool.
Nice.
Good shit, guys.
I could have got a double there, but I chowed the wrong guy. I
All
should.
good. All good, bro. All good, bro.
And then I saw the dude lights. I was aiming at him, and then one peeked in from mid doors. I was like, "Fuck!"
Oh, they both were there. Damn.
Yeah.
I don't know who was one. It's all expecting the other guy to chow me. All right, man. All right. Look.
I should have called two pull right away in case I died.
Yeah, I would have just naded it immediately. I'm like, fuck it.
Oh, I already threw my nades.
I don't know. I still have my nade. I didn't throw anything. What do you want me to do?
Let's just.
We'll play for intel real quick. Hold on.
Let's do the same thing. Right down
Vault?
at mid to A.
All right, you want to do vault?
Yeah,
Okay,
because they
bet.
weren't here last time.
Back P2 hurt.
One's there. One's pushing another B vault.
One on the cat
That was a
steps.
play. I just stunned B. No hit.
I'm weak on
A.
cat.
Nothing Sunday. Could be going B.
Watching A play.
I'm vault door.
Open the door. Open the door.
That's me.
Hello.
Trying to psych out cat. He's still cat steps.
Okay. I'm watching vault door.
What's up, people? You sure or not?
Nothing. I hit the light steps cat area. Nothing.
He's still at the very top. He's just head glitching it.
Just play slow. On me, on me. Dead.
Nice. Is he so cat? Nice. Good
Nice.
shit.
Around.
Good shit, guys.
Well, I'm blind. I didn't see the guy top fucking armor.
Yeah, this
I didn't see this guy top armor at all, dude. Like,
is what
watch.
Kismet should have done at fucking champs last year. Fuck, I don't know how you did stuff with it. How I had A bomb. I literally had A bomb the most insane watch possible, bro. There's no way I should have got that.